Anti-mullerian hormone, or AMH, is a protein that is present in both men and women, although it plays different roles in different locations. Its main role is during pregnancy, where it is involved in the differentiation of the sexes. In a male fetus, anti-mullerian hormone is expressed during 8 or 9 weeks of age, and what it does is actually prevents the development of the Mullerian ducts. These are the structures that go on to form the fallopian tubes in the uterus. Hence, the expression of this protein, this hormone, means that the male fetus will not develop the uterus and the fallopian tubes. In a female fetus, this AMH protein is not produced at this stage, which allows the uterus and the fallopian tubes to develop. AMH will be produced by the fetus later on when the ovarian follicles are already present. After birth, in males, the AMH level maintains quite high until the boy reaches puberty. In women, AMH becomes important from the age of puberty. This is expressed by the granulosa cells of the ovarian follicles, and the ovarian follicles are where the eggs develop.